Welcome to MediGuard, an AI-driven system built to improve medication safety, scheduling, and daily health management. Every year, thousands of people suffer from preventable medication errors because prescriptions, side effects, allergies, food restrictions, and interactions are extremely complex. MediGuard eliminates these risks using multi-agent AI, FDA-verified drug data, and intelligent memory. Medication errors are a silent global problem. People forget doses, mix the wrong medicines, overlook allergies, or combine medications with alcohol, caffeine, or foods like grapefruit. Many patients juggle multiple pills with different timings and risks. Human memory is limited, but AI doesn't forget. That's where MediGuard steps in. MediGuard's mission is to reduce preventable harm by giving users an intelligent companion that monitors medications, checks interactions using FDA drug label data, remembers allergies, and automates scheduling. It blends safety, automation, and personalization into one seamless system. The system uses a multi-agent AI design, a safety agent, a scheduling agent, and a central orchestrator agent. The orchestrator analyzes every message and decides whether the user needs safety guidance or a scheduling task. This mirrors real healthcare teams, where each specialist handles a specific role. The safety agent is responsible for medication safety. It uses FDA to fetch real drug information, uses, dosage, side effects, food restrictions, alcohol warnings, activity limitations, and interactions with other medications. It checks high-risk combinations like statins with grapefruit, antibiotics with alcohol, caffeine interactions with heart medications, or leafy greens affecting blood thinners. Unlike normal chatbots, it doesn't wait for you to ask. It proactively warns you when you mention something risky, like going to the gym after taking a medication that causes dizziness. The alert agent automates routine tasks, creating calendar reminders, sending SMS alerts, parsing prescriptions, scheduling doctor appointments, and setting daily or time-based medication reminders. If you say, "Remind me to take my antibiotic at 7 p.m., the alert agent handles it instantly. The orchestrator agent is the system's master controller. It decides whether a message is about safety or scheduling. If it senses even a slight safety risk, it routes the request to the safety agent. For example, "Can I drink tonight while taking this?" goes to safety, while "Set my night medicine reminder" goes to scheduling. If you say something vague like, "I'm going to an Italian restaurant," and you previously mentioned a garlic allergy, the orchestrator still triggers a safety check. This is proactive protection, not reactive advice. MediGuard also features strong memory and session management. It remembers allergies, prescriptions, and medications for each user. If you say you're allergic to penicillin once, the system will always warn you about amoxicillin or related antibiotics. Memory is also user-isolated, so one user's allergy is never shared with another. Here are real tests performed on the system. In Test 1, the user provides a prescription containing simvastatin, metoprolol, and amoxicillin, along with a severe penicillin allergy. MediGuard detects the danger in amoxicillin and raises a critical alert. In Test 2, the same user mentions going to an Italian restaurant, and MediGuard warns them because garlic allergy was recorded earlier. In Test 3, the user sets a reminder, and the system continues to remember their allergy. In Test 4, a completely different user interacts with the system, and no memory carries over, confirming proper isolation. In conclusion, MediGuard is not just a convenience tool, it is a safety net. It combines FDA data, multi-agent orchestration, proactive risk detection, intelligent reminders, and personalized memory to prevent real-world medication mistakes. MediGuard represents the future of patient-centered healthcare AI, safer, smarter, and designed to protect users every day. Thank you for watching, and stay safe with MediGuard.